So question number 37, this was again asked for GATE 2021 mechanical engineering. The resistance spot welding of two 1.55 mm thick metal sheets is performed using welding current of 10,000 amps for 0.25 seconds. The contact resistance at the interface of the metal sheet is 0.0001 ohms. The volume of the weld nugget formed after welding is 70 mm3. Considering the heat required to melt unit volume of metal is 12 joule per mm3, the thermal efficiency of the welding process is asked. So let us draw a diagram to explain this more in detail. So we have two metal sheets. So consider this as the metal sheets. Two metal sheets are welded using resistance spot welding. So this resistance spot welding creates a nugget. So this is a nugget, and using electrodes are basically used two electrodes are used. Now force is applied on these electrodes, force F, and current is passed. So AC current. So this is the diagram. So basically this is the weld nugget, and these are the electrodes. Now let's write down what all are given. This welding current I is given as I equal to 10,000 amps, and it is for 0.25 seconds, and the resistance is given. Contact resistance at the interface is given as 0.0001 ohm. So from these three we can find out the heat generated. So heat generated in joules equal to, we know that it is I square R into T. So that is our first equation. Now we know that the volume of this nugget is given. Volume of weld nugget equal to 70 mm3. See the unit, and heat required to melt unit volume of metal is 12 joule. So heat required to melt is equal to 12 joule per mm3. So welding volume of the weld nugget is 70 mm3, and heat required to melt is 12 joule per mm3. Therefore HM, melting heat, is equal to product of this, and is 12 into 70, that is equal to 840 joules. So this is equation 2. Now on equating one, now we know that they have asked for eta thermal efficiency, that is equal to melting heat by heat generated. So that is 840 by I square RT. When we calculate, we get it as 2500. So 840 by 2500, that is equal to 33.6%. So 33.6% is the right answer.